And as you can see, she cleaned her plate. She cleaned her plate. Dog, she's a small dog. Add a little down on top. What I also do is sprinkle a little bit of the... Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Chosen and welcome to my channel. Please do me a favor and like and subscribe, because we're trying to build it up to 100 subscribers before the year end. Well, today we have a special guest, and this channel is really dedicated to her. Right here. Her name is Blue. She's half blue nose and half bully. Her mom was a full blue nose and her dad was a American bully. When I bought her, she was skinny. She was real skinny when I bought her. And it's like she have this eating habit where she'll eat something today and eat everything, but the next day she won't eat it at all. And I searched online on Mactive on how to get her to eat and stuff like that. I came up with a few methods from them. I got a few methods from the people online, but I also came up with my own. So I had to realize that she is just like a kid. Kids are picky eaters. Sometimes they want to eat, sometimes they don't. You just got to figure out what they like and how to feed them. So today I'm going to show you how I feed her and what I feed her. And also I'm going to show you guys the type of food I feed her, and I'm also gonna leave the name and the price in the description just in case you guys want to check it out too. So she love attention. She love attention. What you got in your mouth? What you got in your mouth? What you got in your mouth? Alright, you ready to eat? She didn't eat since 3 o'clock and right now it's 7 o'clock, so I know she's pretty hungry. So this is the food I feed her. So some people ask, should I feed her dog food or should I feed her meat? The way I chose to feed her was basically meat, all meat. I keep her on a carnivore diet because if you think about it, when dogs, cats, lions, and all these sort of animals that we take as pets are in the wild, they don't eat vegetables. They don't find dog food in the wild. They eat meat. Anything that moves, they'll eat it, especially dogs. So I keep on the carnivore diet. So we have some mixed up meat. This right here is chicken tenders, chicken thighs, and also ground beef. This is right here is tuna, chicken thighs, and some ground beef. This right here is beef kidney. And she loved this beef kidney. And this is right here is, I forgot what this was. They both look the same. I forgot what this was, but I know this is beef. So, some fun facts. Some people think that giving your dog meat will bring out the aggression, when that's not true. Actually, aggression comes from how you train your dog. Actually, no animal that you take can be fully tame. A dog cannot be fully tame. A dog will always have that genetic in them where if they get into a situation where they have to be aggressive, they will be aggressive. Alright, so enough talking. I'm going to show you guys. This right here, I'm not going to go too much into the video, but this right here will really put weight on your dog. Alright, so we went over the type of meats that I feed the dog, and we went over dying. What I gotta show you guys is this. This is Bully Max powder. It says that it's supposed to put muscles on your dog, but I haven't fully tried it for 4 months yet, so I will not tell you guys to go buy it. As we go on with this YouTube channel, you will see what it does and if you want to buy it yourself. And I also have some dog food here just to put it, just sprinkle it on the top, you know what I'm saying, just in case she want to eat it. Most likely she gonna push it to the side like every picky eater. Alright, so we're gonna get started preparing. So what I usually do is let her choose which meat she want to eat for the day. Because sometimes you choose for them and they don't really want to eat it. So based on her appetite, she'll choose her own food and I basically feed it to her. Buddy, get up. Alright, so this is the beef kidney, I believe. See how she does with it? Oh yeah, she like it. She like it. Okay. So this is the other beef. See how she does with it? Okay. Okay, yeah, she's hungry. She's hungry. Alright, so right now I'm gonna start prepping her food. So, key thing, she's a puppy. So you gotta know that she's not gonna eat a whole bowl of food. You gotta feed her like you would feed a child. Feed her like little by little. Don't give her too much. Let her feel like she's eating the food. You gotta remember, she's only a small puppy. You don't have to feed her a lot. So this is the amount. Remember, she's a small dog. She's a small dog. Add a little down on top. What I also do is sprinkle a little bit of the Bully Max. Not so much, but sprinkle a little bit of the Bully Max on top. Alright, so basically the food is done. The food is prepared. So she have ground beef. No, she doesn't have ground beef. She have beef kidney and another sort of beef. So we're gonna see how she eats. Come on, come on. Sit. Get the food. Oh yeah, she's going in. As you can see, she really likes the meat. As you can see that right now she's eating, so you really can't see how skinny she was. But she was very, very skinny at first. And the reason why she was skinny, I had her for 2 weeks now. The first week when I got her from the owner, and she was going through the stage of, do I want to be here? I'm shy, I don't know these people, and you know, they won't eat. So after 2 or 3 days, we got her comfortable, but the food was feeding her before, she did not want to eat it, and she started becoming way skinnier than how we originally got her. And I went to markets trying to find, okay, what should I feed her? What should I feed her? What should I feed her? And I realized that, okay, I'm gonna just keep her on a full carnivore diet. And as you can see, she cleaned her plate. She cleaned her plate. She cleaned her plate. Like I told you, she's a very small dog. And this is what I do. Based on how she eats. So I give her some more. But I give her half of her first proportion. Just in case she don't want to eat no more. So, get a little bit. And remember, she's a very small dog, so you don't have to feed her like she's a big dog. And I do not put dye the second time because I don't want to overuse the dye or the Bully Max. Remember, she's a very small dog, so you have to be careful of how much you feed these dogs. I understand you want your dog to get big quickly, but you gotta understand it's a process. It takes time. The more you can get her to eat, the bigger she will become. But if you get her to eat a whole bowl today, and later on the day she doesn't want to eat, she's not gonna get big that way. You gotta make her always want to eat. And also, never feed her till she's full. Give her just the right amount where she will want what she will want to eat later on. Okay, let's see how she does on her second serving. Yeah, she's almost done already. So sometimes I give her a third serving and it'll be half of what her second serving would be. Like I say, you want to kind of manage it like a little toddler. You give her a little bit by little bit by little bit by little bit, and to see what she does with it. Do she continue on to eat, or do she have enough? But do not feed her till she's full, because sometimes later on throughout the day they will not want to eat, especially if you do not take them outside to exercise or to run around or to release whatever they just ate. As you can see, bowl is empty again. Just a week ago she did not want to eat. Sit. Good job. So I think before the night end, I'm gonna give her a second serving, but I'm gonna give her a third serving, but I won't give her that much. So as you can see, she's patiently waiting. And this is what you want. And this is what I mean by giving them half of what you already gave them. You see? This is what I mean by giving them half of you already gave them. Make them want to eat. Make them want to feel. Make them feel accomplished every time they eat their food. Come on. This way. See, right now she's kind of getting full, so that means that I will not feed her no more. If I feed her again, she may do two things. She might not eat it, or she might stuff herself, and I don't want that. So to recap on everything, pick out your dog's favorite meat, and I'm gonna leave 5 or 6 different type of meats in the description so you guys can check it out, and also the price range. I have a good marketplace where I can buy all 5 for $20, but to recap, the meats, put them in a bag, store them how you want to. Also, don't forget this dime. Maybe in my next video I will go into it more, but right now I'm not. And also your Bully Max supplement, just if you want to make your dog a little bigger or however you want your dog, and that's it. And if you want to feed your dog food, if you have dog food in the house, you don't want it to go to waste, go ahead and feed it. Well, like I say, she did not really eat the dog food, but she ate the meat up. Come here. Come on. Right here. Come here. Sit. As you can see her size, she's getting that weight that I wanted from the jump. And her skin coat is getting shiny. She had a few marks when I first got her in the back of her legs and stuff like that. They are recovering, and she's becoming the pit bull that I like. See. Sit. Sit. Good job. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.